Welcome to ExpertWorks, a leading cloud-based e-learning platform. This is a beginner-level course on artificial intelligence, perfect for people who want to get started in this industry. Please watch the following animation video to know what you're going to learn in this course.
In the beginner-level course, you will be first introduced to the concept of artificial intelligence and its applications. Under this topic, you will learn a lot of basic tools and technology like Python, Scikit, Numpy, Pandas, MatPlotlib, GGPlot, TensorFlow, and Keras. This concept is divided into three different sections: AI use cases, software/programming foundation, and refresher for math concepts. Under all these three sections, you will be introduced to many topics like data understanding, Python programming, key Python libraries, overview of AI and ML concepts, linear algebra, calculus, Maxima, Minima and Optimization Techniques. The second concept will be focused on neural networks. This topic is also divided into three different sections where you will be taught the basics of neural networks, convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. Under all these three sections, you will be learning image classification of CNN, case study of object detection, emerging NN architectures, RNN, long short-term memory, text generation and image captioning, case study of conversational AI, and a few more topics. This course is perfect for beginners and to get started with artificial intelligence. Keep practicing regularly to make your foundation strong.
Hope you have a great time learning AI.